Hi guys, it's me again. This time I'm doing an oil change on a 2002 Toyota Highlander. I think it's the same thing from 2001 to 2008. So all you have to do first, is remove the cap, lift the car, and always secure it with a stand. Next thing you have to do is come under the car. I already did. As you can see, I have a socket size 14. You have to untie it and let the oil come out. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove the oil filter, which is right there, right in the front of the car. Right here is next to the headers and next to the alternator. Well, and as you can see, that's the filter for the oil. I'm gonna be using this tool, which you can find at Artisan or Walmart for cheap. It's super beneficial to have on these ones. It's kind of difficult to do it with one hand. It's tight. I'm gonna have to use both hands, guys. I'll be back. I got it loose. I just have to twist it so it can come out. You have your container ready right there. Let it drip for a little bit so you don't get full of oil. It's kind of windy right now, as you can see. Just be careful. Okay, got it out. Always, this is a tip, believe me, it will help you a lot. On the oil, the old oil filter, always check that it has this O-ring right here, this sealer, because sometimes it tends to leave it stuck right there, which I already cleaned the area. But if this O-ring is stuck here and you don't notice, what's gonna happen is that when it's there and you put the new oil filter, it's gonna create a gap and all the oil gonna come through there. So always check your oil, the old oil filter, and always put a little bit of new oil around this one to put it in, which I already did. I'm about to put it in. It's just kind of difficult handy. Do it with the right hand. Now all you have to do is put the plug back, clean the area, make sure everything is clean, that way you don't think you have a leak, and if you do, you're gonna notice because the area is clean. Just tie this. You don't have to overdo it. Some people like to torque it. I don't. I just do it as I think is tight enough. It has never been a problem for me. And this is it, guys. I hope you like it or help you with something. Please subscribe if you want and comment whatever questions you have. Thank you so much.